You can make it. Believe in yourself, my brother. Ja, life is full of ups and downs. Life is full of broken days. You never know through you walk through it all. You'll never understand till you feel it. Don't let it break you down. Don't let it stop the train.
For the floor issue, it's kind of embarrassing because whenever a heavy rainfall, you are in your house sleeping, others start coming from under all of the things, your mattress, and other stuff. You have to pack those stuff up. When water goes down, you bring it down. It's like a routine. You keep packing and holding, something like that. It's kind of embarrassing, really embarrassing. And this look like that's something that we see not just now. Like every time the rainfall, it keep happening. There's not the first time. Yeah.
No sleeping for. My father said, "Come on, sport the toilet and sport with water." We even serve all the farm food. The water can stop all. All the whole community, the water can enter in it. As I'm talking to you with tears. As I'm speaking to you with tears. Nana, my father come on, sports, student. Well, come all the place here you see try when you know enter water can wash out here for the whole look for food.
As you can see, our environment, the rain has fallen for the 5 days now has affected us a lot, especially when it falls heavy. We notice that our yards and our surrounding become filled, and even our children find it very difficult to go to school.
As for me, because I'm speaking on behalf of myself, other houses like our neighbors, for the past few seasons they've been experiencing water in our houses. But as for us, it used to happen before, but since we built up our foundation and do some renovation in the house, it stopped entering for like 3 years now. But this year, no, it's different. Like every time the water gets full, it comes from under the ground, under the floor, from the bathrooms and other stuff.
It is kind of challenging for us, all right? And looking at it, the rainy season have not yet gone to a fine area yet. We have just started, I think we can see, and we are experiencing such hazard. So what I can say is that we are calling on humanitarian aid, those organizations that helps, all right, to seek needs and reasons so that they can help us, all right, in our various communities, more especially in Liberia, all right, to farm me so that they can help us to minimize, all right, this water business.
Nobody can go to school.
You don't need to cry. You just take it easy.
I got a kid here, that's 5 years old. What we do when we put all of the mattresses up, we take her and sell away on top of the mattress. She be there. Someone I be on her because we get be dealing with water issue and then she be around. The children love playing water, so we gotta keep our eye on her and pour her up for her to be safe. What we want right now is to open the waterway in water community. Like you see around the bridge area, they got people, so many people wasting. That's it, they make the area as a dump site now. The dad has blocked the waterway. There's no way for the water to pass. Like you see, the rain has stopped, but still the water is not. It's still here. The water is not going. So we need help in opening the drainage within the community.
Keep your focus, move on with life. Life is beautiful, beautiful when you